Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best plants for edible landscaping. That means a garden that's not only beautiful to look at, but also full of delicious homegrown food. Whether you're in a small backyard or planning a full food forest, these plants are perfect for combining style and flavor. For those who don't know yet what is edible landscaping, well, edible landscaping is the practice of using food-producing plants in your decorative garden spaces. It's a great way to turn your yard into a beautiful and productive space. Less mowing, more growing. In order to make your yard into a beautiful and productive space and less mowing, here are the list of top 10 plants for an edible landscape. Number 1 is blueberry bushes, beautiful in all seasons and delicious fruit in summer. Number 2 are kale Swiss chard, colorful leaves that double as a nutrient-rich veggie. And 3 are rosemary lavender, fragrant evergreen herbs that look like ornamental shrubs. For number 4, it's strawberries, perfect ground cover with sweet rewards. For number 5, it is a fruit trees like dwarf apples or citrus, great for shade and fruit. The number 6 are basil, thyme, and oregano, compact herbs that fit anywhere and smell amazing. Number 7 is tomatoes, especially cherry tomatoes, bright, colorful, and highly productive. Number 8 is pepper plants, add color and spice, literally. Number 9 are edible flowers like nasturtiums or calendula, bring blooms to your plate. And the last is mint in containers, great for tea, but keep it contained, it spreads fast.